Delia, push it. Push it!
Where is it at?
Push play.
Oh, which one is it?
Push pause, bitch.
Oh.
Wait, I'm
Is it
live.
recording?
You push pause.
Yeah, it's recording.
I overcame rainy days in my life. Girl, anyway, I'll be fine. Just as long as the sun keeps shining my way, I will be alright. I'm gonna be okay. You tell me you love me and you can't get enough, but then you call me and you tell me that we're breaking up. Look what you do to me. Like you're out to ruin me, and every time you lie, you make a fool of me. Change your ways, girl, you'll probably lose me. It's not a game, girl, cause you be losing. A good thing, and you don't have to explain, but you have to take responsibility for the pain you gave me. I thought you'd always be my lady. You told me to hold on, and like a fool, I keep on waiting. It's alright though, I'll find someone new, and if that's the way you want it, while the choice is on you. But just remember that I didn't need you around. I kept you cause I love you, not for you to put me down. I bet you see now how a man can go strong. And if loving you was wrong, then I got to move on. Rainy days in my life. Girl, anyway, I'll be fine. Just as long as the sun keeps shining my way, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be okay. I guess it wasn't really meant to be, but I'm glad it happened now, cause it would happen eventually. It's sad to say it didn't end how I wanted. It's sad to say I wasn't the one you wanted. I guess I gotta start over and try. Start with someone new, like a girl that won't lie, and break my heart like you did. It's a shame, nobody ever made me feel the way that you did. I'm caught up in the middle of a feeling that I don't wanna get rid of, but you took yourself away from me, and I can't understand, cause you still weren't happy. Even though I tried my best to make you happy. You say I don't deserve you, you don't deserve me. You're the type of girl that would do something just to hurt me. And yeah, I guess it's true, I don't know much about you, but I do know one thing, that I'll do better without you. Rainy days in my life. Girl, anyway, I'll be fine. Just as long as the sun keeps shining my way, alright, I'm gonna be okay. See, I learned my lesson and the outcome was true. Even though you love someone doesn't mean they love you. So before you give yourself to someone else, make sure they love you and nobody else. And this I tell you so you don't get hurt. A lot of men do know what a woman's worth. He would give up all his covers and sleep out in the rain. He would help her through her problems and take away her pain. I know, cause that's the type of man I am. I'm the type of man that would take a lady by her hand and show her that I wanna get to know her. Tell her that she's beautiful and that I wanna hold her. Eventually, it'll be that way. And I'll walk up to her and ask her her name. My name is Fuente. It's nice to meet you. I was wondering if one day I could keep it with you. Rainy days